On this Life in Bama, I'd like to tell you about a trip we took to one of my favorite places. The Shoals are located in northwest Alabama and are made up of the towns of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, and Tuscumbia. The common bond that they have is the Tennesse River. Many people in this area think that the Tennesse River sings. So it's very appropriate that F.A.M.E Studios began here in the 1950s. Rick Hall started the Florence Alabama Music Enterprises. This is the site of the original building. And now this is where F.A.M.E Studios stands. It's considered that Arthur Alexander recorded the first hit from F.A.M.E Studios, and it was called You Better Move On. Since then, Wilson Pickett, Aretha Franklin, the Osmond Brothers, Donny Osmond and Marie, and the list goes on and on. Oak Ridge Boys, Jerry Reed, Mac Davis, Jason Isbell have recorded in the two studios that are at F.A.M.E Studios. Many artists still record here at F.A.M.E Studios. I really enjoyed visiting here. The Muscle Shoals area is just full of flavor. We traveled to a little building right across from the cemetery on the corner of Jackson Highway. We had our picture taken in front of 3614 Jackson Highway, just as so many people have. The building and the sign were first immortalized on the cover of a Cher album. After breaking away from F.A.M.E Studios with Rick Hall, the Muscle Shoals rhythm section, also known as the infamous Swampers that you hear in the Lynyrd Skynyrd song Sweet Home Alabama, started the Muscle Shoals Sound Studio, 3614 Jackson Highway. So many artists have recorded here: Aretha Franklin, Etta James, Percy Sledge, Paul Simon, Bob Seger, Willie Nelson, Joe Cocker, Rod Stewart, the Rolling Stones. Both of these studios are so famous, and Rick Hall, who started F.A.M.E Studios, is known as the founder of Muscle Shoals music. But I left my heart at the Muscle Shoals Sound Studios. I just love that place. When we went, they were looking for old equipment to refurbish the studio, and from what I understand, they have done that now. So it's a working studio again. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and after you subscribe, click on the bell so you'll receive notifications when I upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.